Solve this pair of simultaneous equations for y. So they're over here and we have a few answer options there, multiple choice. So, if we call this equation 1 and this equation 2, I'm looking at this here now and we're looking for y. So it'd be handy to get rid of the x's, wouldn't it? So if we multiply equation 2, by minus 2, all across, we'll get minus 2 by x will give us minus 2x. Minus 2 times y will give us minus 2y equals minus 2 times 3 will give us minus 6. This doesn't change the meaning of the equation, it just makes it more suitable, because we're going to write up equation 1 now on top here. 2x plus 5y equals 21. And now we're going to add them this way. 2x plus minus 2x gets 0. Adding these guys here, you're going to end up with 3y. And adding here, we're going to have a positive because the bigger number is positive and the difference between them is 15. So whichever is bigger, we'll put that down there for emphasis. So 21 taken by 6 is 15. 3y equals 15. You can instantly see perhaps that y equals 5, but we can divide both sides by 3. And you get, say we divide both sides by 3, we're doing the same thing to both sides, which is important. They cancel there, and we have y equals 15 divided by 3, y equals 5. So it's option A there, the way they're presented there.